Githagathago gia kibesha nigitanyetwo kwiyumiria thiini wa kauntis guku bururini thutha wa kuhitukio kwa rendekithia aria kunyihanyihia kigina kiria makoragwo makiamukira kuma kuri thirikari nene na muigana wa ciringi bilioni 9 kuma bilioni 314 iria makoragwo makiamukira. Ndeto ino niyo itumite senators mubururuke na mawoni ngurani kuria mahinyiriirie matigukorwo makinyitanira na ndeto ino koimana.
Hiyo ndio pesa ambaye Arab Sang atatumia nao wananchi. Kama kuna njia tungeweza kupunguza chai kwa ofisi ya rais, ya naibu wa rais, ya mawaziri, ili tusawazishe hizo pesa, tusikate hizi county hata sumuni moja.
Makiaria mari kaunti-ini ya Uasin Gishu kuria magomanite kwariria maundu ngurani, senators aya maugite ni undu megukorwo makiregana naguo na mutu umwe kuna ikinya riri nirigutiga kaunti zitari na weki o tiga kuiga keheri-ini imwe cia tabarira cia uthii wanambere ni wagi wa besha.
What was being done by the National Assembly should have been brought to the Senate. Some of us believe that that should have been brought to the Senate. And in fact, even if they do not bring that to the Senate for the Senate to also weigh in, they will be forced to do so because now they will have to draft another division of revenue bill.
Kuregana na spika wa bunge ya Senate Kenneth Lusaka ni megukorwo magithagania mishemanio ya mwanya kwa riria ndeto ino kuona ni ndeto igukorwo ikihutia mukenya wa kawaida na njira ya hakuhi.
The money is going to affect the operations of counties, and the Senate is there to defend county governments, and therefore we have an interest in terms of, because that's the Senate that allocates money that goes to the counties.
So we request you to
ikinya riri riakinyaniirio thutha wa mutongoria wa bururi kwendekithia kunyihanyihio kwa bajeti ya bururi ya mwaka wa 2018-2019 iria ni ya muigana wa makiria ma trilioni 3 nginyagia trilioni 2.9 ndeto ria yacungiriirie honge itiganite kuhutio na kunyihirio kigina kiria makoragwo makiamukira. Murugamo wa senators ni huretwo jeki ni governor kaunti itiganite matongoretio ni governor wa kaunti ya Uasin Gishu Jackson Mandago uria kumithitie thirikari ni ndwa ikinya riri kureugite kuri kundu kuingi thirikari ingeruta besha hatari kuhutia counties.
If there is a revenue shortfall at the global level, it is not counties that are supposed to suffer. It is a national government that is supposed to bear the brunt of that revenue shortfall.
Ndeto ino kaunti nyingi igukorwo ikiehererio gatagati ka milioni 100 na milioni 200 kuria kaunti ya Nairobi igukorwo ikihutio na njira nene. Ndeto iria yonekanite tegukorwo ikigagaya mirutere ya wira makiria kuona no gukoretwo na mateta kuma kuri governors makiuga ministry ya kigina ni koretwo ikigucia kumatumira besha na kaingi mitambo ya ifmis irekoragwo igitumika gutuma besha kaunti-ini ndikoretwo ikiruta wira.